Hello children, I welcome you all in my YouTube class. This is Vishal Pandey and we are here to discuss the question and answers based on the chapter The French Revolution. So as you all know that we have already finished the chapter and yet we will now discuss the question and answers in an appropriate manner so that you could write it, understand it and use it in your answers. So as far as the question answers is concerned children, you are knowing this very well that we have covered many topics such as how the revolution broke out in France, what was the role of King Louis XVI in French Revolution, and what was his importance in reforming the economy and reforming the people and their ideas. So ultimately, what were the importance of clergies, nobilities, everything we have already discussed. Then we have discussed what was the role of third estate, what was the role of Jacobin club, what was the role of National Assembly, what was the role of Mirabeau or BCS. Everything is discussed, and lastly we have also discussed that what was the role of women in the French Revolution. So as you all know that in different time, at the different time, with different age group and with different policies, the French people used to get chance to take active part and be active citizen and take active part in voting. So right to vote was given to the people, those who were 25 plus in age. At the same time they are paying tax which is equal to 3 days wages of labor. So these were all things which we have to discussed. Now on that particular topics, some questions are given here. I'm going to discuss the question with you. I'm going to tell you how to write an answer, but you have to write by yourself in your notebook. If you can't able to write, I'm going to give you proper notes by next day itself. So first question is, describe the circumstances leading to the outbreak of a revolutionary protest in France. Now you have to write in this answer that what were the circumstances, different circumstances which were leading to the outbreak of revolution, which were the reason by which the revolution took place. What was that? Why the revolution took place? Why outbreak of the revolution takes place? Why? Because if you remember, the revolution started in 1789 on 14th of July. Before that, people looted each and everything, like they attacked on the fort of Bastille and they looted all the weapons and everything. So basically you should know why people were this type of activities. So this is the question number 1. Now question number 2, if we talk about which groups of French society benefited from the revolution. As you all know, which group benefited from the revolution? Third estate, second estate, first estate. It is all about, I leave it to you, your sense of humor, that you should decide that which group of French society was benefited from the revolution. किसको फ़ायदा मिला और किसको नुकसान मिला, कहाँ से? रिवॉल्यूशन से. Which groups were forced to relinquish power? Relinquish means छोड़ देना, त्याग देना. So which groups were forced to relinquish power? किसको अपना पावर छोड़ना पड़ा था रिवॉल्यूशन की वजह से? Which section of society would have been disappointed with the outcome of the revolution? Which society was disappointed from where, from what? From the revolution itself. So who were the people, the society, those who were not liking those who were not appreciating, those who were not feeling comfortable with revolution. It may be first and second stage. Third question, describe the legacy of the French Revolution for the people of the world during the 19th and 20th century. अब देखिए 19th और 20th century में फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन की जो लेगेसी है, लेगेसी मीन्स धरोहर, जो लेगेसी है वो क्या हो सकती है चिल्ड्रन? लेगेसी मीन्स एज आई फील there are three important points which I told you. If you remember, the first one was equality, liberty and fraternity. So these were legacy, some legacy, many more are there. You have to find out which are the legacy by which, through which France developed and became a nation state. The next question is, draw up a list of democratic rights we enjoy today whose origin could be traced to the French Revolution. Which are the rights? Like for example, we are getting now fundamental rights in Indian Constitution. That's how list some of them, some of the rights which are considered, which are taken from French Revolution, which are, you know, the origin is from French Revolution, because fundamental rights we have taken from America, but America had implemented from where? This is very important. So if America had implemented from France and we have taken those rights from America, then ultimately it is clear that everybody has taken from France itself. Because if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, then definitely A is equal to C as far as mathematics rules are concerned. So that's how it plays an important role. You should understand what are the democratic rights which we enjoy, and the origins used to be French, from French Revolution. Next question is, would you agree with the view that the message of universal rights was beset with contradiction? Explain. What is beset? Beset means surround karna, घेर लेना किसी को. Would you agree with the view that the message of universal rights was beset with contradiction? क्या आप इससे एग्री करते हैं कि जो मैसेज था किसका? यूनिवर्सल राइट्स का, सबको राइट्स मिलेंगे, सबको मिलेंगे, किसी को भी ऐसा नहीं है जिसको राइट नहीं मिलेंगे. क्या ये सिर्फ एक कंट्राडिक्शन से घिरी हुई बात थी? कंट्राडिक्शन से मीन्स कहना कुछ और करना कुछ और, विरोध होना, विरोधाभास, कंट्राडिक्शंस. तो क्या आपके हिसाब से ऐसा था? बिल्कुल भी था. बिकॉज देयर वॉज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन टेकिंग प्लेस इन फ्रांस. In comparison to women, men were getting more liberty. तो कहीं ना कहीं यूनिवर्सल राइट को डिमोलिश किया गया. हाउ वुड यू एक्सप्लेन द राइज ऑफ नेपोलियन? चिल्ड्रन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ वुड यू एक्सप्लेन द राइज ऑफ नेपोलियन? हाउ नेपोलियन केम इन टू फ्रांस इन 1799 and then he established himself as a leader, as a warrior, and altogether he died in the Battle of Waterloo. So how he established himself, how he launched the civil code of 1804, and what was there in civil code, what were 5 or 6 points in that particular code, that particular policies. You have to look after these. So these are the important questions. These were some important questions. I have discussed these questions with you. Watch this video as many times as possible and try to find out the answers. Okay, till then, take care and bye bye.